Okay, so we've come to Sunnydale number 9. Steps. It was cleaned properly. It had the seal on. I've just broke the seal. We are sure that it's been cleaned properly. There's a bin at the entrance. It's a lovely sunny day today. There's parking right in front of the caravan. Lovely little kitchen. So it's a galley kitchen. So there's a microwave. There's a small fridge only, there's no freezer. That's plenty of space for storage. Let's check the pots and pans, and so okay, looks good. So there's enough cutlery. It's all very clean, I have to say. Enough. I think 4 pots are enough. There is enough storage in the kitchen. So this is the dining area, and then this is the living area. So this caravan is for 6 people. There are 2 bedrooms, so I am sure this must be the, yes, so this is the sofa bed. You can pull it during the night and 2 people can sleep here. It looks comfortable. So there's a flat screen TV. There's fireplace. It's all very clean and nice. I think it's a new caravan, so it's Sunnydale number 9. It is a new caravan. It looks spotless. That's a good space for dining. Let me close this. There is a double oven, which is always handy. Then that's your bathroom. So there is space for your toiletries. That is your shower cubicle. Okay. That is your heating rail. Okay, let's check out the bedrooms. So this is the smaller one with the twin beds. Good enough for my 2 boys. There is a little cupboard space here, and then there is that heater. Let's check. So it's a lovely sunny day today, as you can see. It's actually really lovely. Let's check out the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom. Yeah, that's a double bed. There is 1 cupboard with extra pillows and a duvet. Yeah, it's all very clean and nice. I have to say it's compact. I would expect a little more space in the living area at least, since it's for 6 people, but I think 6 people will actually struggle in this caravan. I think it's more like for a family of 4 or maximum 5. Then let's just check out some cutlery. So there are plates, there are enough plates, so you don't have to worry about bringing your plates, and as I said, there are enough pots and pans. All you need to make sure you bring is your toiletries, then your washing liquid, else everything is here. You can find everything here. Again, it's so there are enough cups and glasses. For kids, there are some colorful glasses. We've already seen the microwave. Again, I'm going to mention there is no freezer. Please don't bring anything that you need to freeze. There is just fridge here, no freezer. Yeah, lovely, clean, spotless new caravan. Advertised as for 6 people, but I have to say it's more for 4 or 5. It's definitely not enough space for 6 people. But yeah, if you plan to not stay too much in the caravan and just out and about during the day and only come and crash during the night, then I think it should be okay, because 2 kids in the twin room, 2 adults in the bedroom, and then 2 adults can crash in here. But otherwise it's more for 4 or 5 people. But yeah, it's clean, it's spotless. Kitchen is small, but then there are enough pots and pans in the kitchen. Bathroom's clean, and there is storage space everywhere. So all in all, a good, small, compact, lovely caravan in Sunnydale Park.